I am making fish sauce today. These are the tomato sauce, and these are the fish I will be using. Macro fish, already washed, clean, and these are all the ingredients I will be using: onions, ginger and garlic, and all the dry ingredients. So thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Thank you. Now we're gonna start the cooking, and these are the pan I will be using for this cooking. Right now I'm gonna be putting this fish inside the pot. So right away, I'll be adding a little bit of onions. And garlic and ginger, just a little bit. And we're gonna be adding seasoning. Seasoning a little bit, and salt. So now, just gonna have a little bit of water with it. This fish, we're gonna be boiling it. After the boil, we're gonna debone it, take out all the bones and all the skin, and that's when we'll start the fish sauce. So now, we have to let it boil for some few minutes, and we have to cover it up. So the fish is ready. Right away, we're gonna switch it off and take out all the fish and let it cool down. Then we'll debone it. So now, these are the fish. We need to take them out from this hot pan, and then we'll debone it. That's the fish. So now we're going to let it cool down for at least 10 minutes before we can debone it. Then we're going to keep this stock to prepare the sauce. So these are the fish. It's cold down now, so I have to start deboning it. It's very easy to debone. Just have to open it up with your hands. Take out all the fleshy parts like this. You can see these are all we want. I can put them here. All this part, remove. There are bones inside. Just take out all the bones. Bone it very well so that there's no bone left inside the fish. it, no bone. So I'm adding some oil to the pan. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of onion, the rest of the finishing of it. And I'll be adding the garlic. You just have to saute the onions to bring out the sugar from the onions before we add the tomatoes. So now we're going to be adding this sauce from the fish, so we don't have any trouble from adding the onions. These are the onions, and these are the remaining ginger and garlic. So just gonna let it sit here and start cooking. So the other stuff we'll be adding now is the seasoning. You can see the seasoning. Add the seasoning, and we're gonna add salt, a little bit of salt, not too much, just a little bit. Yes. Then we're gonna be adding thyme. A little bit of thyme, dried thyme, and a little bit of turmeric, just a little bit. So this is it. I'm gonna add just a little bit of chili pepper. So a little bit of chili pepper. We're gonna let it cook for at least 10 minutes before we add the fish. So these are the fish sauce. So the soup is cooked now. Right away, I have to add this fish. These are all the fish. These are the deboned fish. These are all the deboned fish. These are the fish sauce. It's ready, and you can serve this delicious. So these are the fish sauce. It's ready. You see how chunky it is. These are all fish, the bone macro fish. So right away, I'm just gonna drizzle it with parsley. These are the parsley. Let's see how beautiful it is. So now you can serve this sauce with rice. You can serve it with any chewable food: yam, plantain, banana, cooked banana, and every other food. It's very good for you. You can see. So this is it, and it's ready. Now I have to serve it with pasta. So this is it. I'm just gonna place them in the jar and put them in the fridge. So these are the finishing of the fish sauce. You can see these are pastas that you can eat with this fish sauce. So I make it with macro fish. You can take out. Busy mom can just make this and keep them in the fridge, so you can use it to eat your pasta. You can see how delicious this can be. This is pasta fettuccine, and this is rigatone. You can see how it is. Thank you all, and please, if you find value on this video, please click a subscribe button and follow this channel. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.